Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to our channel Med Seekers. How are you all? Hope you are doing good and staying safe. So what can you expect from this video? In this video I'll be talking about admission process of Institute of Public Health Gandhinagar, as many of you have requested for this video, and what is the last date to apply, what is eligibility criteria, pros and cons of this college, and my honest review about this college. If you are interested, do watch till the end. If you really like our content, do subscribe to our channel to become a member of our family of happy learning. Indian Institute of Public Health Gandhinagar. This is a brief glimpse of Indian Institute of Public Health Gandhinagar. It's a private university. It is recognized as a university under IIPHG Act 2015 of the Government of Gujarat and as a scientific and industrial research organization by the Ministry of Science and Technology of Government of India. Coming to eligibility criteria, the course is open to candidates with bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university in India and abroad. See, some of you have commented, ma'am, I have pursued my UG in abroad from Philippines or some other university. Ma'am, am I eligible? See, in India, each university has different eligibility criteria. Some universities accept international students, some universities have different perspectives and different criteria. So kindly please cross check the eligibility criteria before you apply. In every video, in every college, I am particularly emphasizing on eligibility criteria. So any student should not miss out to apply to any college. So kindly please check the eligibility criteria before you apply. With at least 50% marks, public health being a multidisciplinary area, students from academic backgrounds such as medical, dental, physiotherapy, Ayush, nursing and paramedical sciences, veterinary sciences, management including biology, social sciences, social work, engineering, law, commerce, accounting, communication, all the respected degrees can apply. Relevant work experience in health and development sector will be an advantage, but it's not mandatory. Hope I am clear with the eligibility criteria. In simplified terms, any UG degree is acceptable, no specifications, experience is not mandatory, they have mentioned it's just desirable, 50% marks in your UG is mandatory. Only this point you should keep in mind, you should have minimum 50% in your UG. How to apply? Application procedure is very simple. You have to fill the application form online www.iiphd.edu.in. This is their official website. You have to go to this website. There you can see an application form link for Masters in Public Health 2021. Click on that link, enter all your details correctly. Kindly please cross check before you submit. Not only to IIPHG, every university, before submitting your online application, kindly cross check. Then other way also you can do, you can download the application form from the same website. You can fill all your details and scan it, and you can send a scanned copy to the respected mail ID. And you have to deposit ₹500 through NEFT or demand draft or RTGS. For international students, it's $10. Which country students are acceptable? They do accept Indian students, they do accept South Asian region students also, they do accept international students also. Each category of students will have different fee structure. For Indian students, it's around 2,20,000 per annum. So for each year it's 2,20,000. So for 2 years it may be around 4,40,000. This fees does not include hostel fee or convocation fee or any food fee. Hostel fee is very different. For 27,600 per semester you have to pay. You will have 4 semesters. Per each semester it's around 27,600. And hostel fee is also, they are not including mess fee. You have to note this point. Please be clear with the fee structure before you apply. How many students they take each year for MPH program? Intake of students is around 90 students. Last date to apply is 31st May 2021. So what are the advantages of studying in IIPH Gandhinagar? They do have good placement cell, practical training in public health internship, and they do have good field visits to public health facilities and all the non-government organizations also. They have a good mentorship program. These are the advantages of studying in IIPH Gandhinagar. coming to disadvantages, this is like my honest review for all my students who are watching this video. Like, I want to be really very honest. I personally feel intake of students is very high. It's like around 90 per each batch. You will have around 90 students. Fee is also really high. Only like academic fee is around 4.5 lakh. Apart from hostel fee and mess fee, and you will have your own personal expenses also. So think about it. And some practical difficulties also. Like, what do I mean by practical difficulties? In class there are around 90 students. See, every institute will tell they'll provide placement, but you can check with the seniors or anyone passed out from IIPH Gandhinagar to provide placement for 90 students. It's not that easy, right? Maybe 50% students can be placed, but it's highly impossible that 90 students will be placed from each batch, and all the students will be getting 100% placement. So that's why I'll try to tell you, like, kindly focus on government colleges and keep your second option as private colleges. Don't particularly focus on placement. Thank you for watching. Do like and share it with your friends who are interested in IIPH Gandhinagar, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and become a member of our family of happy learning. Stay safe, stay home, take care of your health. All the best for your upcoming exams. Have a happy learning. See you all next week with another beautiful and helpful video.